The most difficult part when sharpening wood turning tools is to exactly replicate the shape and the edge angle. Tormek has solved this problem by developing the TTS 100, a setter that makes it easy to exactly replicate the shape you want over and over again. It works together with the Tormek jigs for wood turning tools, SVS 50 and SVD 185. Thanks to the patented design, it works regardless of the stone diameter. You can even use it on a standard bench grinder if you quickly need to remove a lot of material to change a profile. Now, let's see how it works. These three settings determine the shape of a gouge or a skew. Number 1. The jig setting. Number 2. The protrusion by which you mount the tool. Number 3. The distance to the stone. Choose hole A or B. Make sure that both discs rest on the stone. When you control these three settings, you can exactly replicate the shape that you want. Due to the precision, you will remove a minimal amount of steel, and the sharpening is fast. It is often enough with just a few strokes on each side. A selection chart with recommended profiles is included. The settings are also printed on the TTS 100, so you will always have them accessible. Since the TTS 100 works regardless of the stone diameter, you can easily go from grinding to honing with the tool still mounted in the jig. All you need to do is adjust the distance to the universal support. Once you have selected shapes for your tools, it is an easy task to touch up the edge when needed. As an example, here we are sharpening a turning gouge on the number 2 setting. First the jig setting, then the protrusion, and then the distance to the stone. The whole process can be done in 60 seconds. You exactly replicate the shape that you have chosen. When you start working with the TTS 100, you will notice that you spend less time sharpening and more time turning. In addition, you will have full control over the shape and the pleasure of always working with really sharp edges.